Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I will be showing you guys how I finish my rugs, how I clean up the front, how I try to get my lines straight. The method I'm going to show you guys here today, I suggest you guys do this as you're tufting. So when you tuft one color, you trim, and then you tuft the next color and you trim. It will actually help you get your lines a little cleaner, and you will have this part to skip at the end of your rugs. Now this is where we begin. You want to take your scissors and find the spot where two colors connect, and you want to separate the colors. As you see I'm doing here, I'm separating the yellow from the peach. Now once you get your color separated, you're going to take your scissors, make sure you have a good pair of scissors, and you're going to hold them against whatever color you are cutting. You want to hold them against that color at a slant. So you want to take the bottom of your scissors, place it to the bottom of the rug where the colors separate, and you're going to hold it at a slant, and then you'll cut. And you want to do that down the line of where the colors separate. Then you're going to go to the other side and do it. So I'm doing the peach first, and then I will go and I'll do the yellow. As you can see, I have a piece of yellow over there stuck on my peach side. Don't worry about that too much. But again, like I suggested, this is something you should do while you're tufting, but of course everyone don't, because I have made a few pieces and I haven't even when I've known this knowledge. So you're going to do this to every part of the rug where it's the colors separate, and then what you see me just do is basically like shearing with scissors to get the top of the rug pieces as even as you can get it. Some people have shears, some people use clippers for that. I just ordered me a pair of shears that should be in the mail today, so I will be using them on my next video as I clean up a rug. But as you can tell the difference from where I've done it, and then this side I have not done any clipping. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish my entire rug. Okay, so once you got your lines all cut and looking nice, you want to shear the top of your rug, and this is to get your yarn pieces as even as you can. I am currently using scissors. My shears will be in today, as I stated before. Make sure that you shear the sides of your rugs. This takes a little time, but it makes your rugs look 10 times better. I have a little vacuum that I brought from Walmart. It's a cordless vacuum. You want to make sure you vacuum your pieces. I like using the little brush to like dig into the rug to get all of the loose fibers up. So make sure you have a good vacuum. And this is a double direction lint brush that I got from Joann's in the sewing section. It works pretty good, but I think I'm still going to go over my rugs with an actual lint brush. All my mistakes you see on my rug, because this is my first tufting piece and I am very proud of it. That is exactly why I put a backing on it, because I am going to keep it around. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you are into tufting or would like to get into tufting, check out my links below. I'll show you where to get tufting products from, where to get the tufting gun, and all that you need to begin your journey. Again, thanks for watching and happy crafting. I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.